All right, everybody, Kelly here. And in just a couple minutes, I'm going to get with you and show you how you can run a Google pay-per-click ad, launch it in under 2 minutes. It's the easiest thing you've ever seen. Literally, you can run your own pay-per-click ads at will. You need no tech knowledge. You don't need to hire somebody and pay them $500 a month. Don't forget, yesterday I dropped a video on showing you how to do this same process on Facebook ads. Guys, this is revolutionizing how you as agents can run ads, control your expenses and cost, and generate leads that day. Now, before I get started, if you are a real estate agent and you are in that mindset that you aren't growing, you aren't getting the results that you want, look below. In the description will be a link to get on my calendar. Schedule a meeting with me. Let's talk about your current real estate goals. Let's see where you want to go in the next 12 months and how to get there. And then what it would mean to partner with me. Recently, I moved my entire team over to EXP. Yes, I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos on this experience that I've had the last 2 years. And I partnered with a great Mike Sherrard with the Wolfpack Nation. So now my team, we're called the Wolfpack Ninjas, and we are going to set everything on fire. Guys, the amount of tools that you get within the organization is absolutely mind-numbing. I'll give you one quick story. The last two brokerages I was with, it was very difficult if you needed to get with the broker ops, if you needed questions answered, if you had some technical, it was difficult. It could take a couple hours or you might wait a day or two, right? And I'm not bashing those brokers because I think they, like EXP, will figure this thing out, but I didn't have time to. The first day that I was an active agent again with EXP, I got into, yes, the world. Some of you are like, oh my God, the world. Yeah, I got into the world. I literally was sitting in the broker's office talking to a Florida broker about my situation within 5 minutes. Guys, that's unheard of. And that's just one of 100 things that make EXP such a compelling company. So if you want to talk about the power of partnership with both myself and my partner, Mike Sherrard, and you want to see the types of tools, strategies, and systems you can gain access to, get on the calendar. Let's talk and find out what your business could look like 12 months from now. Enough said. Let's get into Google. Guys, here's what we're going to do. I've done a full teaching on this tactic on launching a Google ad. If you go below this video, there's a link. I literally just shot it 20 minutes ago. I'll put a link. It's my dubbed video on how you can use listings to leads to launch your Google ads in under 2 minutes. Guys, this is revolutionary. You don't want to miss it. You really want to see how to do this? I'll put the link literally in the first one or two lines of the description. Just click it, go check it out, and see if that's something you would like to do to launch your Facebook ads and Google ads. And what I will say is this. The only thing that you're going to need really outside of the system that I use, if you want to do what I do, is go get yourself a Google Ads account. If you don't have one, simply go to YouTube, type in the search term, how do I create a Google Ad account? Literally, there are videos that can walk you through it within 5 minutes. You will have your Google Ad account, just like your Facebook ad account, up and running. You now have the ability to launch your Google ads. You see, in the past, we would have to hire companies because it's extremely technical. Keyword research. Guys, all of that stuff takes education, time. And if you get it wrong, you're going to waste money. So a lot of agents were paying outside marketing agencies 300, 500, 1,000 bucks a month just to create, run, and manage their ads. Well, what if you could take that budget, put it back into your ad spend, and get leads that day? You can. All right, guys, that's it. Look below the video. Click that link. I'll put a description where the link says, check out my video on Google Ads right here. Go check it out. Come back to this channel and let me know what you thought about it. And every week, we're going to be doing training live on using systems like listings to leads on how to do your Facebook and Google ads, direct mail, how to launch direct mail. We're going to train on the My Plus Leads platform so you can gain access to that private group as well. All right, that's it. Enjoy it. Make sure if you haven't, hit subscribe. You guys know the drill, right? Come on, this channel is growing. I'm creating this content for you guys, right? Check out some of my past videos. Check out the Facebook video we just did and hit subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video, guys, with other agents you think would benefit. Guys, don't get down in the dumps. Don't listen to the naysayers. It is a challenging market, but we are selling a ton of real estate. You just need a plan, direction. You need to have partnerships. You need to have systems in play, and you need to be able to activate and launch. And number one, Be consistent. That's it, guys. I appreciate you. Love you like a brother. And can't wait to hear your feedback. Go check out the video below and start becoming a Google ad monster. That's it, guys. Have a great one. I will talk to you on the next video.